If Microsoft Word is showing the error that Word found unreadable content, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you open the file and recover your document. This is a common issue when a Word file gets corrupted, protected, or blocked by a security setting. And the good news is that in many cases, you can fix it without losing everything. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Now, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open Microsoft Word normally. Once Word is open, click File at the top left, then choose Open, and then select Browse. This will let you manually locate the file that is giving you the unreadable content error. Find the document on your computer, click it once to highlight it, and then look at the Open button. Instead of clicking the main part of the button, click the little arrow next to Open. From the menu that appears, choose Open and Repair. This is one of the most important steps because Word will try to detect problems in the file and automatically repair as much of it as possible. In many cases, this alone can fix the document and allow it to open normally. If the file opens after this, take a moment to save a new copy right away so you have a clean version backed up. If you still get the same error, the next thing to check is Word security settings. Go back into Word and click File again, then choose Options. In the Word Options window, select Trust Center and then click Trust Center Settings. Inside the Trust Center, look for Protected View. Protected View is designed to block potentially unsafe files, but sometimes it can be too strict and cause documents to open incorrectly or trigger unreadable content errors. Click Protected View and then you'll see several boxes you can uncheck. Uncheck all of the Protected View options for testing purposes. After that, click OK to save the changes, then close Microsoft Word completely and reopen it. Try opening the same file again using the normal open process. In some cases, simply turning off Protected View temporarily is enough to let Word read the file properly. Now, I do want to mention something important here. Protected View is there for a reason, so if this fix works, you can always turn it back on later once you're done recovering the document. The goal is just to determine whether that security setting is the reason the file is being blocked. If the document still won't open, the next step is to check your Microsoft Office installation from the control panel. Sometimes Word itself or the Office app files can become damaged, and repairing Office can resolve problems like this. To do that, open your control panel on Windows and go to Programs and Features, or Apps and Features depending on your version of Windows. Find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 in the list, click it, and then choose Change or Modify. From there, you may see repair options such as Quick Repair or Online Repair. Start with Quick Repair first because it is faster and does not usually require internet access. If that doesn't solve the problem, use Online Repair, which is more thorough and can fix deeper issues in the Office installation. Once the repair process finishes, restart your computer and try opening the Word file again. If you're still having trouble after that, there are a couple of extra things you can try. First, make sure the file was not downloaded from email or from the internet and left blocked by Windows. Right-click the file, choose Properties, and if you see an unblock option near the bottom, enable it and apply the change. Then try opening the file again in Word. You can also try copying the file to your desktop and opening it from there, just in case the original location is causing issues. Another useful trick is to open Word in safe mode and test the file there. This can help you figure out whether an add-in is causing the problem. To do that, hold the Control key while opening Word or run Word with the Safe Mode command if needed. If the file opens in safe mode, then an add-in may be interfering with normal Word behavior. At this point, if the document still shows unreadable content, the file itself may be partially corrupted. In that case, you may be able to recover some of the text by opening it with a different version of Word, using a backup copy, or restoring an earlier version from OneDrive or file history if you have one available. But in most cases, the Open and Repair feature, the Protected View settings, or repairing Microsoft Office will solve the issue. So to recap, first try Open and Repair, then check the Trust Center and Protected View settings, and finally repair Microsoft Office from Control Panel if needed. These steps solve the error for many users and can save you a lot of time and frustration. If this video helped you fix the Word unreadable content error, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.